I mean, my experience with Outback has been great. This is the second very large project you guys have done for us. I think one of them was in our old home. This is the second mega job. Our experience with Outback has been you guys have been very professional, on top of the schedule and cost, get the job done. More importantly, I think you guys have a great touch with people. My wife is extremely happy with the interactions, and you made it easy, even though projects are large and complex and sometimes multi-month projects. I think everything usually goes very smoothly, and the outcome is really good, very pleasing. So those are kind of some of the qualities I see with the Outback. Just really customer service, customer happiness is, from my perspective, it seems to be a top of your priority. They're quite impressed. I got a lot of questions. They come and just see the project, and they ask our opinion about what they want to do and just ask for some suggestions. And we talk about what they like to do, and then I direct them to you guys. Most of the time I say, hey, Outback will do a good job. They will do a 3D rendering, so that's very important for many of our friends. They want to know what they're going to build. So for me, it's just like when you guys do a good job, I just basically tell other people, just come and just look at the project. If they're interested, I ask them just to reach out to Brian or John. So it's pretty easy for me. So I was surprised. It's like I got $100 check apparently. And after that, I start being aware that there's a referral program, but I was not aware of the third bigger one. So that was totally surprised to me.